Why the price per square metre is not a good rule of thumb. Part 2.
Number 5. Conditions such as rock in the ground are not captured by price per square metre rates. Number 6. Price per square metre does not differentiate between standard and advanced technology in building, which is meant to enhance your overall living experience. Number 7. It is a one-size-fits-all approach. It does not account for many different types of location and site access. Steep sites, flat sites are all bound in the same one. And finally, number 8. Using the price per square metre rule of thumb does not reflect the need for project management and careful oversight, which can be costly. At Malham, we are licensed builders and registered architects. We accommodate all of your unique needs within your budget. At Malham, luxury is made easy.